In today's video, I'll show you how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming to get the best performance and FPS. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Windows and drivers are up to date. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Download and install any available updates. Next, open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Now let's disable pop-up notifications. Go to Settings. Then System, and click on Notifications. In the opened window, scroll down and click on Additional Settings and uncheck everything here. Next, we need to delete temporary data running under your user account. Press Win-R to bring up the Run window. Type %temp% and click Enter to access the folder with temporary files. Use Ctrl-A to highlight everything in that folder. Tap the Delete key to clear all the files. Now let's delete your system-level temporary directory files. Press Win-R to reopen the Run dialog. Enter temp and press Enter to locate your folder with temporary files. Wipe out all the files in this second folder to ensure you've covered all your bases. And last but not least, press Win-R again and type prefetch and press Enter. Use Ctrl-A to highlight everything in that folder. Tap the Delete key to clear all the files. Now open Command Prompt with administrator rights. Click on the search bar and type Command Prompt. Then select Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc scannow and press Enter. This command will help find and clear or fix any corrupted files on your system. Optimizing your power settings can also help improve performance. Go to Settings, then System, and select Power and Battery. In the Power Mode section, choose Best Performance to maximize performance. Windows 11 comes with features specifically designed for gaming. Go to Settings, then Gaming. Select Captures and turn off recording preferences. Go back and select Game Mode to optimize your system for gaming and turn it on. Now we need to clean up your disk and system. Open this PC. Right-click on your system drive, usually the C drive, and select Properties. Click Details and select Temporary Files. Check the boxes for the types of files you want to delete and click Remove Files. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.